Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Convoy flashlight. It's S11 with XHP70.2. Here are all the specs and some photos how it looks. I will also put link to video description where you can find this flashlight. Today I will talk less, because I already did a review of this flashlight. It's Convoy S11 with XHP70.2, and here is the one I did review before. And I'll post this review right here in the corner, so you can check it and see what it is, how to use it, and some differences of those. So this one has 12 groups, this one has 4 groups. You can order whatever you want. Everything else is the same, just LEDs are different. Here is 50.2 and here is 70.2. As you see, the LED is bigger 70.2. Others already know it. And reflectors are both orange peel, but they're a bit different. To me, 70.2 looks more rough, and the surface on 50.2 reflector is smoother. It's not very visible, but I can see that the texture differs. Also, here are beams at 1%, and on 70.2 it's a bit wider. Also, this one with 50.2 is more yellowish green, while this one looks more pink. Those CCT measurements that I did in the beginning, they are from the center of the beam. So as both those LEDs has tint shift from the middle to the side, I measured only the middle part, because I don't have ideal sphere with white surface to test all of the pattern. So beams look like this. Now I will not talk further. Let's move to nighttime shots and see how they compare. I hope you enjoyed those item shots. Now let's take a look at runtime graphs. Here we see that, as in most convoys, this flashlight has brightness stabilization on all modes. Just in turbo it steps down because of the temperature. I also made a graph showing you that you can access turbo more than once if you cool the flashlight. And as always, I will put a link to video description where you can find those graphs. So I hope you enjoyed watching my review. Short conclusion, I think those both flashlights are very good. They can be for some as EDC flashlights. I use it to walk my dog. I usually carry it where I need to lit wide area, and both these flashlights, in my opinion, are fluid lights. What I like about them is runtime. It's very nice with 5000 mAh battery, which you can order with the flashlight or buy it separately. I like that, as most convoys, those two flashlights has brightness stabilization, and on XHP70.2 turbo you can access more than once, and it's kinda easy to cool this flashlight if you use it in winter or somewhere where it's not so hot. And I would pick this one because I like the tint of this better, and it's stronger. It has more lumens. Downsides, actually I don't see any. Those both are very nice. You can also order buttons like these from Simon. They do not cost much and they glow in the dark. You can order the blue one and the orange one. I'll post a link where you can find this button in video description. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching review. Don't forget to like, subscribe. There are more reviews coming, and see you next time. Goodbye.